Does this scene look familiar to you? Yep, it's a messy, unorganized basement. And I'm here to show you how to make easy storage shelves to organize this mess. So to organize this mess, all you need are 2x4s and plywood cut to size. To begin, cut your 2x4s to the length and width that you want your shelves to be. For each shelf, I cut 2 2x4s 6 foot long and 3 2x4s 2 feet long. Once you have your wood cut, apply wood glue to each piece, then attach with 2.5-inch screws. Once the frame is complete, add wood glue and place the plywood on top, screwing it into place. The legs or supports of the shelving are 2x4 by 8-inch pieces of wood. To start, I attached the 2 back pieces of shelving and screwed them into the ceiling joists using 3-inch screws. Once the 2 back legs or supports were in place, I attached the bottom shelf to the back supports. I wanted to raise the bottom shelf off of the floor, so I used plastic tubs and then laid the shelf on top. I then screwed the shelf into the back supports using 3-inch screws. For the second shelf, I placed large plastic tubs onto the first shelf, along with an extra piece of 2x4, and then I laid the second shelf on top. I attached that shelf to the back supports using 3-inch screws. Once the second shelf was in place, I attached the front 2 supports or legs to the ceiling joists and then attached the first and second shelves to the front supports. I attached the third shelf the same way I did the first and second shelf, using boxes to hold the shelf in place until it was secure. Now the basement is organized, and all I used was 2x4s and plywood that I had cut to size to make this easy shelving. I hope this inspires you to rediscover the floor in your basement today.